In this beautiful video, I am going to show you how to run Instagram ads to WhatsApp. That is, running Instagram ads to your WhatsApp business to get a lot of conversions in your WhatsApp inbox, right? And also, if you have been looking for a way to fill your WhatsApp group, this strategy is as well going to work for you, because we as well know that on Facebook and Instagram, it is impossible for you to input your WhatsApp group link direct in order to fill your group. So I'm going to show you a very big secret in this video, and it's very beneficial for you to watch it to the end. I'm going to be stating out some mistakes and some little things, challenges that a lot of people face when they are trying to boost their ads to WhatsApp, and how you can be able to avoid these mistakes. Now listen to me very carefully as well. If you are having problem in paying for your Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, or any way, you can feel free to chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to leave the number in the middle of this video so as to not disrupt your tutorial. Let's get straight into it without further ado. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. Listen to me very carefully. So you want to open your Instagram application, and the moment you open your Instagram application, you're going to click on your profile. Now, what determines you getting message of quality people into your WhatsApp determine on you choosing the right objective, right? Like I used to say in my videos. So the next thing you want to do right now is you are going to click on professional dashboard, right? You're going to be using your professional dashboard, and the moment you click on professional dashboard, the next thing you want to do is you're going to click on add tools, right? The same thing goes for your computer. If you're using your computer, you're going to see something like when you open your home page on the computer, you see something like a plus icon below the screen. You click on it, you click on add, right? Create ad, and that is it. So on the phone, you're going to click on add tools, and when you click on add tools, right, the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to click on boost content from profile. You're going to see it here, right? So click on it. Then once
in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your Google ads.
Once you click on boost content from profile, so you can see I have up to 4 eligible videos here, right, that I can choose from. Do you understand? So I'm just going to choose this one, right, which I'm trying to, a video where I'm trying to show people on how to open their Google Ads account. You can watch beautiful videos on this channel on Google Ads as well. Do you understand? YouTube ads when you're done with this video. So the next thing I'm just going to do is I've selected a video. I'm going to click on this button right here which says next. So the moment then on the next page you're going to see here is you want to pay very good attention to this place. You're going to see something like this. What do you want people to do when they see your ad? Definitely you are trying to run ads from Instagram to WhatsApp. You want them to chat you on WhatsApp, right? Now do you just don't let me just go to that place. You want them to chat you on WhatsApp, right? Then the next thing you want to do is you're going to see something like best for connecting more people to build valuable leads and sale, which means you want to generate leads into your WhatsApp DM. So you're going to click on message you, and the moment you click on message you, you can choose to either receive this message on your WhatsApp, right? You can see I have a WhatsApp number connected here. So if you have not connected in WhatsApp number, you're going to see something like connect WhatsApp number. They're going to send you a code, a verification code. You input it there and it's going to be done, right? And you can see the second option, right, which you see here, which means you can accept DM. So definitely you want to select this, right, WhatsApp. And note, after this, the action button, which is the call to action you choose, is very important, right? You can't say you want to receive DMs on WhatsApp and not use this chat on WhatsApp. Do you understand? Because that is what we actually give people a very clear direction on what to do, where to chat you, and where they are going to land. Do you understand? So chat on WhatsApp is very good. Unlike contact us, whatever, just use chat on WhatsApp and click on done. Then the moment you click on done, that has been selected, then you click on next. Then normally you set all the things you are supposed to set. Now listen to me very carefully. What are the kind of people you want to chat you on WhatsApp? Now for instance, let's say for instance, some people used to sell clothes, but they end up trying to target people who wants to buy clothes for them. That is their own intention, but they end up getting people who sell clothes just like them, and they end up getting some scammers that just post into their WhatsApp or wherever they add them in their channels or group. Those people just try to advertise their own business. So that is the work, or that is the result of poor targeting. So you can chat me on WhatsApp, right? I'm going to go into Instagram platform, not just on phone. I'm going to go into the Instagram platform using the ads editor. I'm going to create an audience for you, and this audience are going to be set of people who are going to buy from you. They are not advertisers, right? I might charge, but it's not going to be that much, right? I'll craft out the audience for you. People, if you want to target audience in the United States, UK, or Nigerians who are living abroad, I can help you get those people, and I'm going to charge you, right? I'll give you the audience. You just use it for your ad. You understand? Either you are using phone or anywhere, right? So that is my expertise. So chat me now. And let's say, for instance, maybe you just want to create your own audience. You could just click on suggested audience, right? Under the suggested audience, they are saying target these ads to people similar to your followers. So if you have a decent following, maybe like 1,000 followers and above, you can target people who are similar to your followers, right? And if you get them through a honest means, you could get people, if they have been buying from you before, definitely you'll be able to get people who are similar like that. But unlike my own, you getting more new people who are rich. Do you understand? So you can chat me. So, and if you want to create new audience, you can always click on create your audience, and that is it. So let me just go to the next stuff. You set your daily budget. Once you set your daily budget, let's say my own is in naira, if your own is in dollar or whatever currency, just set it. So I have 3,000 daily, right? Do you understand? Make sure that you use a budget that is that you have and you can afford, that is inside your ads account already. So I advise you, before running this ad, go and add money into your ad account first in the ads manager, right? Sorry, in the ads account settings in your Instagram. So if you don't know how to do that, just chat me. I will guide you on that and give you that audience as a bonus. Do you understand? So this is it. So you see daily, run ads until you post it. Well, there is advantage in running ads until you post it. It gets more likes, and there's more likes, which means social proof. And when people see that your ads has more likes and comments, they might also want to engage and buy from you, which means you have a lot of people who trust you. And so you could set duration here. So I'm just going to leave it at run ads until I post it. I'm going to click on next, and the moment I click on next, you can see in this fund right now, I'm using this account as an example for you, 0 naira. I don't have anything here, so I can show you how to add payment in naira. If you're having problem with your Instagram ads payment, just chat me. You understand? It's better you pay now until you start wasting money and start sending money to your ads account. They keep telling you to add money, even though you have had over 1 million naira. I'm telling you what I know. You understand? Based on my experience. So that is it. So once you add your fund, then you click on boost post here, and your advice is gonna be submitted. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, watch this video, watch other videos you see on the screen. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.